My name is Ganesh Mane. I have graduated from Coxit College Latur with BCA degree. Currently enrolled for a TechnoDexterous Python Fullstack Development offline training in Pune. Also serving 6 month offline internship here as software intern, where we get opportunity to work on real-time Python-based project. We need to accomplish and present two mini projects as a part of full stack development course. So I am presenting my second Python mini project. My project name is Mini Mailer. My project idea is a small web app that helps users send email from a website. It shows how Flask and Python can work together to send message easily. The main purpose of this project is to make email sending simple thought web page. It helps user learn how data moves from to the backend and to perform real tasks. The main feature of this project is a minimailer lets user type email, add a subject and write a message. It also allows sending files and attachments and show a success or a error message after sending. Tech stack use. The project uses HTML, CSS and Bootstrap for the front end of this website. The backend is made with Python Flask and it user SMTP lab and email.mime to send emails. Python Flask framework. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework used to build fast, simple, and flexible web application. It provides essential tools for routing templates and handling requests. HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. HTML is a standard language used to create the structure and content of web page. CSS is used to style and design those web pages, controlling colors, layout, font, and many more. Bootstrap is a popular CSS framework that provide ready-made design component to build a responsive, mobile-friendly website quickly. Jinja 2 templating. Flask integrate with Jinja 2, allowing Python data to be rendered directly into HTML pages. Implementation step. First one is a project setup. Create a new Flask application structured with the app.py as the main entry point. Second one is a template design. Build HTML templates, index.html and result.html. Third one is a functionality, routing and functionalities. Implement Flask routes. Display all mail info from slash. And last one is a code overview. Let's jump to the code. Import Flask and functions. For creating the app, render template is rendering HTML pages and request is handling from data. Import SMTP lab. Import the simple mail transfer protocol library used to send emails. Import my multipart. Allows creation for email with multiple parts like text and attachments. Import MIME text. Used to attach plain text content like message body in the email. Import MIME base. Used for handling file attachments in the email. From email, imports encoders. Encodes the file attachments into base64 format for a safe email transfer. Import OS helps to work with file paths and save or delete temporary files. App is equal to flask underscore underscore name. Create a Flask web application. Flask function. These are routing functionality. First is a home page route. When the user press the send button, the code take all the details they type. It get the sender email, password, receiver email, subject, message, and any file they add. If the request is post, it simply show the main form page. second block of making the email. The code create a new email object. It put the sender address, receiver address, submit and a message inside it. If the user add file, the code save it for a moment and then attach it to the email. The code connect to Gmail using a safe connection. It log in with the sender email and password. They send the email to the receiver. After sending, it show a message. It the email was sent successfully. Fourth block is handling error if the password is wrong and an error message is show. If something else goes wrong, another error message is show. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore double equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore app dot run debug is equal to true. Run the Flask app on localhost 5000. Then index.html. This page is simple form that helps users send email. Design use Bootstrap, some custom CSS, all information sent to Flask backend. The Flask code will then use for information to send the email. Result.html. This page show the result after someone try to send email. It has a simple design with card in the middle of screen. If the email was sent successfully, the message appeared in green. If there was an error, the message appeared in red. So let me run my code and show you how my Minimailer web app works. First, we enter our email, then password, then recipient email, subject hello from Minimailer, message hello. This is my Minimailer app. We can also add attachments like this. After filling everything, we click on send button. Then we check our email and wait for a few seconds. And look, our email has arrived. Hello, this is my Minimailer app. So thank you.